till the sky was falling. Held my breath till every single star had a light. On my mind, I never saw it coming. Didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this. Waiting till the sky was falling. Held my breath till every single star had a light. On my mind, I never saw it coming. Didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this.
Took me 7 hours to organize and clean the kitchen and the living room. I just got done mopping. What I did forget was to show you the pantry. I did organize the pantry. Organize the pantry because it was all over the place. All right, guys, this is it for the clean with me video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I only did the kitchen and the living room. Tomorrow, which is Sunday, the plan is to focus on my bedroom and the dining room. Last Saturday, I did clean the dining room, so there's not much to do. Just gotta wipe down the table, vacuum. I did mop. Organize this section right here. So yeah. Hi. So this is it for the vlog. I'm going to get ready for bed. I'm exhausted. My kids are upstairs. So they did, my kids, I told them don't worry about downstairs. I got downstairs. They need to focus on upstairs. 7 hours. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.